Good morning, children. Today I am here with you with a new chapter. Chapter number 21. Homophones. Words that sound the same but differ in spelling and meaning. I and I. Now when I say the first word I and I say the second word I'm repeating it, right? I'm saying I and I again and again. Now look at this. I hear. I hear. In both the picture, again you see I and I. Here and here. They are homophones. The word I and I sound the same, but they have different meaning. They are called homophones. Now you know what are homophones? Different spelling, but with the same sound. They also have different meaning. Like we saw before, I and I, here and here. Let us see some more examples of homophones with the help of pictures. See and see. They sound the same, but they have different meaning. When you frame sentence or when you write sentence, they come up with different meaning. Like, for example, I can see you from the window. I can see a sea from the window. Both gives a different meaning. Sun and homophone of sun, sun. They sound the same, but both are different, right? Plane, a plane, land. And what is the homophone of plane? Yes, aeroplane. Again, they sound the same, but they mean the different. Peace and peace. The first peace means when your mind is calm and at rest. The second piece means a part of something. The letter 8 and 8. They are homophones. The first one is used as letter 8 and the other one, when you eat something, is the past tense of eat. 8. So children, did you understand what are homophones? Homophones are words which sound the same but are different in spelling and meaning. The spelling of homophones are different and even the meaning. Now it's time to do exercises from the textbook. Today we will do exercise A and B on page number 86. So get ready with your textbook and open page number 86. First exercise A. Are you ready? Did you open page number 86? Let's read together. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the bracket. Now here, children, if you see the sentences, at the end of the sentence, 2 homophones are given. You have to read the sentence and choose the correct one and write it in the blank. Number 1, a dash has 7 days. Which word will come? Week. First one is week. The first week is when you are not strong enough or you don't have so much energy, okay, to do something. And the second week is, how many days are there in a week? 7 days. So the second one is the answer. So let's write WEEK. A week has 7 days. Number 2, Ravi wants to buy dash a new pencil. Ravi wants to buy a new pencil. Now there are 2 words given, buy and again buy. Now what does the first buy mean? When you leave someone or someone's place, you wish them goodbye or bye-bye, right? So first one is buy, which means you greet farewell to someone while leaving. And the second buy is when you buy something, you pay money and you buy. So Ravi wants to buy a new pencil. You will write the second homophone, BUY. Number 3, my father loves to swim in the sea. First one is sea beach, and the second one is to see something. So which one will come here? The first one. Number 4, they have gone back to their house. Now here, one is THEIR, there, which means something that belongs to someone. Like this is their book. Okay, when you say about belongingness, like it is owned by someone, you say THEIR. And the other there, THERE. It means when you talk about a place or position. For example, the books are kept there. Okay, so here which there will come? They have gone back to their house. When you talk about belonging, you use the first there, THEIR. Number 5, my brother is mending the dash in my trousers. Hole, WHOLE, whole, which means all of it. When you say, I ate the whole ice cream, that means all of it or entire. And the other whole means a hollow place in something or a gap in something. Okay, so here what will come? My brother is mending the hole, H-O-L-E, in my trousers. Now we will do the next exercise. B. It says choose the correct words from those given in brackets. We will put a tick. You do how I have done here. Let's read number 1. When I was in class 1, I won a prize. Now in first place, children, which one will come? Class 1, right? So put a tick here. When I was in class 1, O-N-E 1, I won, W-O-N. That means to get some prize. I won a prize. So put a tick on W-O-N 1. Number 2, in Goa, I could see. See, first place, S-E-E and S-E-A. The sea from my hotel. In Goa, I could see. That means which you can see with your eyes. So S-E-E, see, the S-E-A-C, from my hotel. Number 3, at the zoo, I saw a hare as dark as my hair. H-A-R-E, hare is a animal. Okay, it resembles the rabbit. And H-A-I-R, hare, you all know because you all have it, right? So at the zoo, I saw a H-A-R-E, hare as dark as my H-A-I-R, hair. Number 4, the wind blew. Blew, B-L-E-W and B-L-U-E. The blew kite up towards the sky. In first place, we will write B-L-E-W, blue. And second place, the color blue, B-L-U-E, kite up towards the sky. Number 5, the sun is shining, said Anu to her son. What shines? S-U-N, sun, right? So let's take the sun is shining, said Anu to her, S-O-N, sun. Today, we will do these 2 exercises. In the next class, we will complete the rest. So children, take care of yourself, stay home and stay safe. Meet you in the next class. Till then, thank you. Have a great day.